By now, you've seen the pre-knotted crochet braid wig cap on the market. Have you wanted to take a closer look to check out its features? As you can see, there is baby hair around the front hairline. The wig cap is pre-knotted and parted with each strand of hair seamlessly ventilated into the durable flesh-colored wig lace. The cap expands near the ear area for flexibility, while offering a strip of lace in the nape area. The design is precise with clean parting. This particular wig cap has 116 sections. There are a variety of wig cap styles and partings available on the market. The inside of the cap includes an adjustable elastic band to ensure a comfy fit. Diamond lace is stitched throughout the underside of the cap to provide an undetectable and natural look. Diamond lace, also known as diamond net, is an advanced material used in hair replacement systems, prized for its exceptional comfort, durability, and natural look. This lace provides clients with a realistic, comfortable, and long-lasting hair solution. Before you begin, locate the loop or opening of the square section. Insert the latch hook through the loop attached to the section, then through the looped opening of the crochet braid. Close the latch and pull the braid through the loop attached to the wig cap. As you pull the hair through the section, keep the strand steady with your left hand. After pulling the hair through the section, allow the loop of the braid to slide down the base of the tool as you guide it upward. As the hair slides down the base of the tool, the latch should open again. Wrap the braid clockwise around the hook and close the latch. Pull the braid back through the opening that you created. Tighten the knot. Repeat these steps for each section.